Hello there and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today I'm showing you a close-up look at the Modern Embossed alphabet die set from the Sweet Summer Celebration collection. This is a 26-piece alphabet stamp set with 4 punctuation dies as well. The edge of each die cut piece has a debossed line around it, and the letters are approximately 1 inch tall, perfect for cards and scrapbooking. There's also a coordinating numbers die set that you can get to go with this if you so choose. Now let's take a look at what these letters look like all die cut out. You can see by the grid they are 1 inch tall, and here's a close-up look at that debossed line that really adds something extra to each of these letters. Here are the numbers and letters together, and the numbers also have the debossed line. So you have lots of different options pairing these with sentiments that you already have and creating custom sentiments, as I've done here on this Sweet 16 birthday card. Now let's take a look at some other cards that our design team has created using this alphabet die set. If you would like even more inspiration from Trinity Stamps, you can always find more videos from us on YouTube, and we are on Instagram and Facebook as well. I'll see you all again very soon on the next video. Happy stamping! Bye!